Coolest thing I saw at Volvo had to definitely be working so closely with the robots. It was just really cool kind of working up closer with them. It's really crazy how advanced technology is getting. I chose to take an internship at Volvo because I wanted to gain more experience, specifically in automotive. It opened up me to a broader spectrum by being able to work hands-on with the robotics, work hands-on with the assembly line workers, as well as the business side of everything. One contribution that I made to Volvo this summer was the energy saving project. I implemented and reprogrammed all 138 devices in a shop. This translated to about 3,826 hours saved, which saved us over $7,000. What surprised me most about working with a large, recognized company like Volvo, first off, was the learning curve of me learning so many different things, but also how many moving parts there are behind the scenes. My internship helped me work as a team. I collaborated with a bunch of different teams, both on the shop floor as well as in the maintenance center itself. I chose to be a systems engineer because it offers financial stability, as well as a diverse career path that allows me to really pursue any of my interests in a variety of fields of engineering. You go anywhere from automotives to civil to industrial. The systems engineering program at the College of Charleston prepared me for these internships by providing hands-on projects and labs, and for me being a hands-on learner, I was able to tap into my creative side and bring a little bit more out of me to pursue these type of passions. Systems engineering requires a lot of teamwork. You definitely have to be a social person who can communicate very well. You have to make sure all needs are met because you really are just as strong as your weakest link. I believe College of Charleston is a great choice for any student pursuing systems engineering for the simple fact that all the teachers and the department around itself is very motivated for your success.